Spinach brings iron, folate, vitamin C, and other nutrients into your diet, giving your body useful materials for everyday blood function. In your digestive system, spinach breaks down and releases nutrients when your body begins preparing for absorption. In the small intestine, iron and folate are absorbed alongside other nutrients and enter circulation for your body's normal blood-building processes. From the bloodstream, these nutrients reach tissues, including your bone marrow, where your body produces new blood cells. As red blood cells mature, hemoglobin inside them binds oxygen, allowing them to transport oxygen through your bloodstream. So spinach does more than add greens to your plate. Its nutrients help supply your body's everyday blood-building processes. Your body is working for you every second. Feed it wisely.